Hey everyone, today's lesson is for Tuesday, March 24th. Yesterday, you took the critical juncture assessment. Thanks for doing that. Today, we're going to click on lesson 2.6 in our weather patterns unit. And when you click on the warm up section, it will pop up with your color group. You're either going to be purple, blue, or green. There you go. So if you are in the purple group, the first thing you're going to do is the warm up. And you're supposed to be adding annotations to these diagrams here. So how you do that is you click on this plus button, and you can drag this anywhere you like. So I'm going to write something about the sun here. I'm going to say the energy from the sun does not heat up the air directly, or does not directly heat up the air. I'm going to hit enter, ta-da. So what you're supposed to do again is you're supposed to annotate each of these images, of course, read through what they say, and then as soon as you're done, you'll hit hand in down here. The next thing you're going to do is play the weather patterns game. Now this is difficult because number one, you don't have the cards. Number two, you don't have a partner. Now, could you find someone else in our class that is in the same color group as you and play the game with them? Yes, you absolutely could, especially since I added the cards right there. They're attached to your assignment. But you can do it on your own as well. So here's what I'm going to have you do. You're going to choose from these cards. We have air parcel temperature cards, as you can see there. We have water vapor cards, and we have surrounding air temperature cards. You're supposed to choose, where's my hands? There you go. 3 random cards from each of those categories. I don't know how you're going to choose them randomly, but I trust you. So choose 3 random cards. And here's what I want you to do. Set it up, organize your cards so that you have a combination that's going to give you the most amount of rain, the least amount of rain, and sort of a medium amount of rain. Read the cards, read the temperatures and the water vapor and what they say, and try to put them together to give you, again, that maximum, minimum, and middle amount of rain. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to plug those into the sim once you've chosen your sets of cards. And there's nowhere for you to record what you actually got, but just do it anyway and find out which one gives you the most amount of rain, and then you'll click on activity 3, which is the reflection. Wait for it. And here we go. So you are going to be reflecting on each of these situations, each of these images that come directly from the simulation. Answer the questions. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. There you go. Once you've answered all of the questions, make sure you hit hand in. Always hit hand in. Always hit submit. That's how I actually get to see your work on all of these. And then as soon as you finish that, go ahead and do the homework. It's all homework, Mr. Wiggin, which is the self-reflection. Now for the or self-assessment, check your understanding. As always, if you choose not yet when you read a statement and you say, I don't really understand that, I still want you to write something down here where you explain your choice. If you click yes, same thing. I want you to explain your choice down here, whatever it is. Now, here's another thing. If you find yourself clicking not yet on a lot of these, that means that we probably need to go back and review some of our key concepts. You might need to ask me some clarifying questions, which you can do on the Google form that's on our Google Classroom. But yeah, and maybe if you say, oh, not yet, I don't really understand that, go back and check. Maybe you'll find the answer, and then you can change to, yes, I do actually understand. And you can explain to me down there. Again, always hit hand in when you're done with your assignments, and let me know if you have any questions.